How to download Instagram Reels directly to Gallery. Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you are eager to download Instagram Reels or videos directly to your device gallery for offline enjoyment or future reference, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple steps to download Instagram Reels or videos. First and foremost, open up Instagram on your mobile device. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the search icon. Then search for your favorite content creator or the specific reels or videos you wish to download. For example, let's search for MrBeast and enter their Instagram profile. Select the uploaded reels or videos from your favorite content creator that you want to download. Once you have found the desired reels or videos, at the top right corner, tap on the three vertical dots to access the options menu. In the menu that appears, tap on "We are moving things around, see where to share and link." This is also the share button of Instagram. Then at the bottom of the screen, tap on the option to download. Your download will begin shortly. Please note that downloaded reels or videos from Instagram cannot be used for commercial purposes or re-uploaded without proper permission, as Instagram may take action against you for such actions. Once the download is complete, you can close Instagram. Open up your device gallery or Photos app. Once the download is complete, in the Gallery or Photos app, you will find all of your downloaded Instagram Reels or videos at the top of the list. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded Instagram Reels directly into your device gallery, allowing you to enjoy them offline or keep them for future reference. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.